Arc welding setup and operation. Click arc welding on the screen. Click to start. Drag the robot to a safe spot. Click this button. Then drag the robot to the welding starting point. Click this button. Drag the robot to the second welding point. Click this button. Drag the robot to the third welding endpoint. Click this button. Finally, drag the robot to a safe point. Click this button. Finally, press and hold this button until it turns green. Arc welding process parameters can be seen on the screen. Start the robot.